Howdy fellow Sublimation peeps. In today's video we're going to be doing some printable arm sleeves. These are sports type arm sleeves. They come from Silky Socks. They are 5" by 14" and I found them at Heat Transfer Warehouse. As always, we'll drop a link in the description below where you can get some blank ones. And we're going to be printing a design similar to this on it. So pretty cool stuff. Overall should print really good. So let's go ahead and just dive on into it. Alright guys, so let's get started on this on the design. This is something I already had made up. You can see kind of how this top layer right here works. It needs to technically be above everything, but not a big deal. And what it does, it takes nothing from up here and 1/2 inch on each side, so it kind of bevels it inward. So I know which end is which. I know which end's the front and which end's the back. That makes it a little simpler when you're pressing. If you take the design away, I'll show you how this design's built. It's built in, I think, 3 or 4 layers. You can see like all the layers that make it up. There's the purple layer in the background, white layer's right there, and the final layer is the yellow layer. And then the Huey goes on top of that. And the other side is mirrored, basically. It's the same thing but mirrored, so that way no matter which way he goes, like whether it's this way or this way, it does the same thing. This is always in the front. And that's on the inside and outside, or both sides, depending on how the sleeve is rotated. When I printed it, it fit neatly on 11 by 17 paper. It was 14.5 by 10.5. So it fit very neatly on 11 by 17 paper. And what I did, I just flattened the image and just drug them over here. And just kind of scooted one down so I could get as little, because otherwise it won't fit. See, I did just enough gap to get my scissors right there. That's exactly how I did it and printed it. But yeah, these are very straightforward. If this design looks familiar, it's because I got it directly off this mouse pad that I did. I thought it would look good. It's kind of squished down a little bit, but it's the same exact layer. If it looks, yeah. Overall, I feel like it looks pretty good. So we'll go ahead and get this printed. We are doing, let's see. We're doing them on 11 by 17. We're not doing this file. Let's get the right file first. First off, we're going to do it right. 11 by 17 paper, you can see how neatly it fits. It takes up most of the paper and looks really good. And we are doing these on, we're doing the mirrored image. See, I think we're doing premium presentation matte, standard quality instead of high quality. You can do high quality if you want. It'll get a little more saturation, but with purples, I think standard does a little bit better. So we're going to do that, and we're going to go ahead and set it to print, and I'll see you guys on the other side. Alright guys, we're getting close on temperature. We're preheating it to, we're going 370, and we're going to do it for 70 seconds. But first, let's do a little bit of pre-press. We're going to do it diagonal because it's kind of a big piece. It's not quite as big as a heat press, but I'd feel more comfortable doing it diagonal. So we're going to go ahead, we're just going to go ahead and press that. We're doing a fair amount of pressure, and we're going to just pre-press it for about 10 seconds. And that's the ticket. And what that'll do, that'll release any moisture, but more importantly, it'll get it nice and flat, so it can hopefully minimize some seams. Alright. So, alright, we got our paper cut. We're going to go ahead and print this side. We're going to get it as close as we can. And we're just going to roll with it. There we go. Face up. Check our fit. Yeah, it's fine. That's going to be fine. I think I'd feel more comfortable if we taped it, though. If we taped it right where we want it, I'd feel way more comfortable. Like, there we go. Like, that's beautiful. Let's just give it a little tapey. Just a little bit. Just enough to withhold flipping it over. Because that looks perfect. Go ahead and flip it. We'll go ahead and get our other piece of paper. And we'll go ahead and press it. Go ahead and tighten down the pressure. Again, we're doing these at 375 for 70 seconds. Alright, fellas, about 10 seconds left. We'll go ahead and... I don't think we need to glove up. We just need to get it off there as soon as possible. That's about it. So we're going to go ahead and just do this, and... let's see how we transferred. It's looking good. It's a little warm. Woo! Can't hold on to that, my guy. That polyester fabric's warm. Yeah, we're gonna have to replace that paper though. Granted, not a big deal. But look at those results though. Like, look how nice that looks. Like, that looks really good. That looks fire. Yes. So we'll go ahead and rotate papers. Again, doing it diagonal. Make it a little easier. Now, just for the record, this is what we have so far, is that. And that's pretty gorgeous. Like, I like it. I'm a fan. Let's see if we can repeat the process and do it equally nice. On the other side, yeah. So once again, we're going to put the paper down. We're going to get it as close as we can to that edge. As close as we can matching. Look, I mean, it's mirrored, so try to get it as close as we can. Like, see, that's pretty close to on top of the artwork. Put us a couple pieces to tape it down. This side's a little more crucial because, you know, just a little harder to get flat. But that's okay. We can do it. I have faith in us. All right, 4 corners. Then we just flip them on over. Get our other side of paper. And we press on. And again, 375, 70 seconds. Fairly medium pressure. Alright guys, just a couple seconds left. I'm actually putting a glove on this time, because the last time grabbing that hot polyester kind of sucked. And bam. Oh man. Alright, this is with the tape and everything off. You can see, I mean, it's really nice. Like, look at that. Of course, we'll be doing some B-roll footage, but let's go ahead and get it over here. All right, ladies and gentlemen, another successful one in the books. Overall, this thing looks absolutely amazing. The colors print great. I highly recommend doing this for any, if you have any sports players in your life, because they'll absolutely feel like all-stars on the field. And they are, these things are amazing, dude. But yeah, shout out to Heat Transfer Warehouse for having these in stock and sending me a few of them. And guys, as always, if you like this content, feel free to like and subscribe. And I'll catch you later.